Hello everybody, this is Ron at Lorusso Gardens. In this video, I'm going to make my homemade guacamole. A lot of people asking for the recipe after I brought it to a couple cookouts. So instead of sending a recipe to the people, I'm just going to make a video and everyone can enjoy it. What you're going to first start off with is you need 4 avocados. You need 1 jalapeno, 1 lime, 1 tomato, an onion, a small onion. This is the smallest one I had. I'm probably going to use about half this onion. Some salt, cilantro, and garlic. Unfortunately, I was unable to find fresh cilantro, which I usually use, but this stuff will do. First thing you'll want to do is cut the avocados out, like so. And once you have the avocados out of the skin, depending on how chunky you want it, if you want it smooth, I like it a little chunky. Just crush it up a little bit, flatten it out. You want to make sure that the avocados aren't too ripe. And then from there, you're going to cut the onion up, small pieces. Like I said before, this is a little larger of an onion than I normally use, but it's all I had. Now that I got the onions all chopped up, nice and fine, just add that to the mix. Just keep adding everything right on top like so. And it's sticking. 1 second. Now that I added the onions on top, do the same thing with the tomato. Chop it up nice and fine and put that right on top. Tomatoes all chopped up, nice and fine, just like the onions. Just add that on top. Don't mix it yet. From there, now you're going to take the jalapeno, chop this up. Now, if you don't want it too spicy, you can remove the seeds out of the inside. You'll still have the jalapeno flavor, but you just won't have the spice to it. I love spicy, so I just leave them right in there. If you want it a little bit spicy, you can remove half the seeds, but it's not necessary unless you don't like spicy. Okay, so the jalapeno is all chopped up, and just like everything else, I chopped it up really small because I want it to blend in nice so you don't taste any specific ingredient. It just mixes all together to make a great tasting guacamole. And once again, you just add that right onto the top. You're going to mix it last. The next ingredient is going to be the garlic. I do 2 spoonfuls of this. I just get the chopped garlic. You can use fresh garlic to chop up on your own. I don't think it makes any difference in the taste. So 1, 2. After the garlic, you take the lime, cut it in half, and squeeze that right on top. Now that the garlic and the lime are added, next ingredient is going to be the cilantro. I don't have a set amount or a specific amount I put on it. I just sprinkle a bunch on top. Normally I use fresh cilantro, but they did not have it, and I didn't feel like running around to get it today. That looks about right. And the last thing is the salt. Same with that. I don't have a set amount. If I had to say, I'd say about maybe a teaspoon, I mean. I just sprinkle some on top. You don't want to make it too salty. Just like that. From here, I'm just going to mix it all up. And if you want to keep the consistency of the avocado, you just don't squish it down as you mix it. You just kind of fold it into each other. So you mix it all up until it looks like this. Alright, and there you have it. That's how I make my homemade guacamole. Just give you a fair warning, after you try this, all other guacamoles store-bought, or if you go to a restaurant, are not going to taste very good. This is delicious. You can put it on all sorts of stuff. I like it on salad. Dip celery in it because I don't do carbs, or just the old-fashioned way with tortilla chips. So, try it out. You're going to like it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.